Tired of fumbling through your wallet at checkout? Today, we're unlocking a faster, smoother way to pay for your Walmart goodies using the magic of Apple Pay within the Walmart app. Let's dive right in. First, open the Walmart app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the account icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like a person's silhouette. Next, scroll down in the account menu until you see Wallet and tap on it. This is where you manage your payment methods. If you haven't already added Apple Pay, you'll see an Add Payment Method option. Tap on Add Payment Method. You should see Apple Pay as a payment option. Tap the Apple Pay button to proceed. Your device will then prompt you to confirm your Apple Pay setup. This might involve using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate. Once authenticated, Apple Pay will be added as a payment method in your Walmart wallet. You'll now see it listed along with any other cards you might have saved. Now, let's use it. Add the items you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout, just like you normally would. On the payment screen, make sure Apple Pay is selected as your payment method. You may need to scroll down to find it. To finalize your purchase, an Apple Pay confirmation will pop up from the bottom of your screen. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode again to authorize the payment. And that's it, your order is placed, and you've successfully used Apple Pay on the Walmart app. Enjoy the ease and security of shopping with Apple Pay. Now you can save time and money.